Let's learn animal names. Let's learn animal names.
Zebra, this is a zebra. Zebra, this is a zebra. Elephant, this is an elephant. Elephant, this is an elephant. Giraffe, this is a giraffe. Giraffe, this is a giraffe. Lion, this is a lion. Lion, this is a lion. Lion, this is a lion. Dog, this is a dog. Dog, this is a dog. Monkey, this is a monkey. Monkey, this is a monkey. Cow, this is a cow. Cow, this is a cow. Sheep, this is a sheep. Sheep, this is a sheep. Rabbit, this is a rabbit. Rabbit, this is a rabbit. Cat, this is a cat. Cat, this is a cat. Camel, this is a camel. Camel, this is a camel. Goat, this is a goat. Goat, this is a goat. Cheetah, this is a cheetah. Cheetah, this is a cheetah. Gorilla, this is a gorilla. Gorilla, this is a gorilla. Deer, this is a deer. Deer, this is a deer.